If you want to clear your internet browsing history in Firefox, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Clearing your history is useful if you want to protect your privacy, speed up your browser a little, or simply remove old search and browsing records from your device. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and browser tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, you'll see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu to open the main Firefox options. From the drop-down menu, select History. This will open a list of your recent browsing activity and history-related options. Next, click Clear Recent History. This is the built-in Firefox tool that lets you remove browsing data from a specific time period. Once the Clear Recent History window appears, you'll see a time range drop-down at the top. Click it and choose the time range you want to delete. You can clear the last hour, the last 2 hours, the last 4 hours, today, or everything, depending on how much data you want removed. After that, look at the list of data types below. Make sure Browsing and Download History is checked, since that is the setting that removes your visited websites and download records. If you only want to clear your history and not other browser data, uncheck the other options like cookies, cache, and form history. This is important because leaving those checked will remove more than just your browsing history. Once you've selected the right options, click Clear. Firefox will now erase the browsing history for the time range you chose. And that's it, your internet browsing history in Firefox has now been cleared successfully. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial.